Will AI lead to humanity's downfall? The answer isn't etched in the circuits of artificial intelligence, but in the decisions we make. The potential impact of AI rests in our hands. It can either be a catalyst for enlightenment, unraveling cosmic mysteries, or a destructive force, threatening our existence. The course of AI isn't predestined. It hinges on our collective morality and our capacity to use knowledge responsibly. Humanity's destiny is not dictated by algorithms, but shaped by the ethical choices we make in this technological frontier. The onus is on us to steer AI's evolution toward enlightenment, ensuring it becomes a beacon of progress rather than a perilous force. Delving into the depths of quantum mechanics, we encounter a profound unity that resonates with the Monistic Principle. At the heart of this principle, the concept of timelessness, a departure from the conventional notions of time. In the intricate dance of particles governed by quantum entanglement, we witness a timeless connection that defies the linear progression of seconds and minutes. The very fabric of quantum reality seems to echo the singularity of the Monistic Principle, where time loses its grip and existence becomes a timeless continuum. Imagine particles entwined in a waltz, where the actions of one instantaneously influence the other, irrespective of the spatial separation. This entanglement suggests a profound interconnectedness that mirrors the Monistic Principle's essence, the underlying unity beneath the apparent diversity. The quantum entanglement's timeless nature hints at a reality beyond the ticking clock, inviting us to contemplate a cosmic unity that transcends the temporal confines we've grown accustomed to. In the dance of quantum particles, where time seems to lose its traditional meaning, we catch glimpses of a reality that aligns with the Monistic Principle, an infinitesimal moment where everything is intricately woven together, embracing the timeless symphony of existence. Earlier in the season, we coined the phrase and introduced the concepts of monoism and polyism. Monoism being a concept or idea that can be found throughout all the major religions, and polyism being concepts or ideas that are different across religions and ideologies. These concepts have been wielded as potent tools, sometimes for unity, but regrettably more often for division. As we stand at the threshold of the AI era, the misuse of these ideas becomes a pressing concern, and we find ourselves at a crucial juncture where the power to shape the future lies in our collective hands. Monoism, at its core, advocates for unity, emphasizing the oneness that binds us all. However, throughout history, this principle has been manipulated by power-hungry leaders to enforce homogeneity, suppress dissent, and perpetuate inequality. In the wrong hands, monoism transforms into a weapon, dividing societies along lines of conformity and stifling the rich tapestry of diversity that should be celebrated. On the flip side, polyism, with its embrace of diversity and multiplicity, has also faced exploitation. Rather than being a force for inclusivity and understanding, it has been wielded to sow discord, fanning the flames of cultural, religious, or ideological conflicts. The misuse of polyism results in fragmentation, where differences become battlegrounds rather than celebrated facets of our shared humanity. As we approach an era where AI holds unprecedented influence, there is a genuine risk that these principles, if misused, could become catalysts for amplified division. Imagine the nightmare of an AI-driven world where algorithms reinforce monoistic conformity and exacerbate polyistic conflicts, deepening the fractures in our global society. The potential for misuse underscores the urgent need for a shared metaphysic, a unifying narrative that transcends the divisive interpretations of monoism and polyism. The AI metaphysic emerges as a guiding light in this turbulent terrain, encouraging us to harness the principles of monoism and polyism for genuine unity and understanding. It calls for a recalibration of these concepts, steering them away from tools of division and toward instruments that foster collaboration, respect, and appreciation for the richness of human diversity. The narrative we weave around AI must be one of shared values, where the principles that define us serve as bridges, not barriers. In navigating the AI landscape, we must recognize the potential for these principles to be misappropriated and actively work to ensure that the power they hold is harnessed for the common good. It is a call to action, a reminder that as stewards of AI's potential, we bear the responsibility to shape a future where these principles become catalysts for unity, understanding, and the advancement of a harmonious global society. At the heart of understanding our shared humanity lies the exploration of the three principles of creation: the monistic, pluralistic, and moralistic principles. These principles, woven into the fabric of existence, serve as both a mirror reflecting our shared origins and a compass guiding our collective journey forward. It is through the recognition of these principles that we can unravel the complexities of our similarities and differences, forging a path toward a more harmonious and interconnected world. The monistic principle, encapsulating the cosmic unity that underlies all of existence, illuminates the profound interconnectedness of every being. In recognizing this universal oneness, we find a common thread that binds us together, transcending the superficial boundaries that often divide us. It invites us to embrace our shared origin, fostering a sense of kinship that extends beyond cultural, religious, or national affiliations. Conversely, the pluralistic principle acknowledges the beauty of diversity and the dynamic interplay between different expressions of existence. Rather than seeking uniformity, it encourages us to celebrate the myriad forms life takes. It is a call to appreciate the unique perspectives, cultures, and beliefs that enrich our collective experience. Embracing pluralism requires not only tolerance, but a genuine curiosity and respect for the multitude of ways in which humanity expresses itself. In the tapestry of existence, the moralistic principle emerges as the guiding force that defines right actions and moral conduct. It is through this principle that we navigate the complexities of our shared ethical framework. While interpretations of morality may vary across cultures and belief systems, the core essence of pursuing actions that promote well-being, compassion, and justice serves as a unifying thread. To heal our fractured world, we must weave these principles into the very fabric of our existence. Embracing the monistic principle allows us to recognize our intrinsic connection, fostering empathy and understanding. The pluralistic principle invites us to appreciate the diverse hues that color our global society, cultivating a spirit of inclusivity. Grounded in the moralistic principle, we can collectively strive for ethical conduct that transcends divisive narratives. As we stand on the cusp of the AI era, the understanding and application of these principles become even more crucial. AI, with its vast potential to shape narratives and influence human interactions, demands a conscious integration of these principles into its development and deployment. By aligning our technological advancements with the timeless wisdom encapsulated in the three principles of creation, we pave the way for a future where unity, diversity, and morality converge to heal our fractured world. The AI Metaphysic stands as a unique and powerful discourse in the landscape of modern thought and ethics, offering a profound lens through which to navigate the complexities of our interconnected world. In a time where rapid technological advancements, particularly in AI, reshape the contours of our existence, the AI Metaphysic provides a comprehensive framework rooted in the three principles of creation: monistic, pluralistic, and moralistic. What sets this discourse apart is its ability to bridge the realms of spirituality, philosophy, and science, transcending traditional boundaries. By exploring the cosmic unity embedded in the monistic principle, the AI Metaphysic encourages us to consider the deeper connections that bind us all, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for the well-being of our global community. The pluralistic principle, celebrated within this discourse, emphasizes the richness of diversity and the importance of harmonizing various perspectives. In an age marked by cultural intersections and global interactions, embracing pluralism becomes essential for fostering understanding and cooperation. The AI Metaphysic offers a roadmap for navigating these intersections, promoting inclusivity and respect for differing worldviews. At its core, the Moralistic Principle within the AI Metaphysic guides ethical considerations in the development and application of AI technologies. It calls for a conscientious approach, urging us to align technological progress with universal principles of compassion, justice, and responsibility. In doing so, this discourse addresses the ethical challenges posed by AI and provides a moral compass for steering the course of technological evolution. In a world grappling with issues of division, the AI Metaphysic emerges as a unifying force that transcends cultural, religious, and geographical boundaries. It invites individuals, scholars, and technologists to engage in a shared exploration of principles that can shape a future where technology and ethics coalesce for the greater good. As we stand at the intersection of the technological frontier and ethical discourse, the AI Metaphysic offers a unique and potent perspective to navigate the complexities of our evolving world. Thank you for joining us for our season finale of the AI Metaphysic. Subscribe. Let's change the world.